Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is Elijah from Modern Mantra, and today I want to show you a content creation workflow to supercharge your talking videos. It uses a combination of Descript, Notion, and Chat GPT. Without further ado, let's dive in. So, I have airdropped the video file from my phone to my computer. So now let me choose a file to transcribe. I will take the video that I airdropped. We can add my speaker name. And so here we have it. Okay. It is transcribing the video. All right, the video is transcribed. The first thing I do is check the text. I see that Chat GPT is spaced out for some weird reason. I highlight it and correct it. Correct. Okay, cool. What do you value more, product or process? Great. I notice there's a long pause. So the ideal start point is about 0.15 seconds before the first word is spoken.
What do you value more?
Perfect.
The product or the process?
Okay, and now what I want to do is add my closed captions. So I click captions, and this is looking a little bit off. So I want to center those.
What do you value more, the product or the process? If a poem...
I want to get it in my brand font for Modern Mantra, and make sure that it's not overlapping with the social media interface. So on Instagram, you have the comment button on the right side. You also have the captions on the bottom. So we want to make sure that the closed captions are in a good spot where they're not interfering with other parts of the user interface.
What do you value more, the product or the process?
Okay, so now I'm going to just touch up the audio. Descript makes it very simple to do that. I usually apply studio sound, and I also apply a compressor with a light volume boost. And this typically works for me. Once the studio sound applies, we'll be good to go. All right, so while we're waiting for the studio sound to take full effect, we can still continue working on the project. So I want to add some music. I noticed that it sounds like it needs some music. So I can pop open the media library here. I'll go to audio. I want something that has a handpan in it. Okay, this feels like the vibe. So let's vibe it out. We'll just drag that to the beginning of the project.
Value more, the product or the process? If a poem was written by Langston Hughes.
I'm noticing there's a bit of a pause in the music, a bit of a lull. So I want it to start where the beat drops. Okay. So we'll just make this the full duration of the video. I want to make sure applied, studio sounds applied. I want to make sure these clips are leveled. So I'm auto leveling the clips. I don't need to worry about manually leveling it myself. And let's see what it looks like.
What do you value more, the product or the process? If a poem was written by Langston Hughes, is that more valuable than a poem that's generated by Chat GPT in the style of Langston Hughes? These are the questions that are now arising, and I'm very curious to get your thoughts. Please comment below and let me know what you think.
Beautiful. So now the next step, I'm going to take this transcript that was generated by Descript, and I'm going to take this over to Chat GPT and ask Chat GPT to create me 3 options of compelling, personable, social media caption for Instagram Reels for a video that has the following transcript. Boom. I like the first one. So then I'll take the first one. I'll add it to this captions document that I have in Notion. Note that for the hashtags, I usually don't use the hashtags that Chat GPT generates. I usually use hashtags based on what's trending and what makes sense once I'm in the content editor of Instagram or TikTok. But from here, the next steps are quite simple. I open up Notion on my mobile device. I copy this caption from Notion. I export this video from publish and export. I export that video, I airdrop it to my phone. Now on my phone, I have the exported file for the video, and I have a nice social media caption. And then I just take that and upload it or schedule it, whatever you're feeling. So this is a content creation workflow utilizing Descript, Notion, and Chat GPT. I hope that you found this useful, and let me know how this goes for you. All right, peace.